Peter Beckford, coach Cumberland High.
Coach, harsh defeat today. What's your assessment of the game today?
Well, we were outplayed by a better team. So, well, we don't train. There's not a lot of training on our part. So, this is the kind of games that we expect.
Okay. Well, you still managed to score a goal, catch a man in transition. You think that that's something that you guys can even improve on?
Well, I mean, these guys are a good bunch of guys to work with, but like I said, if there is no training, then they won't be able to implement in the game what is to be done. Because without being physically fit, you are limited. There's not much you can do.
So even though they are technically better, at least you could have outrun them in some sense.
We could have stood out there and played with them, and then maybe results could have been different.
All right, coach. That's up here.
Yeah, thank you.